County Westside cars, just for information, we're getting reports of the explosions heard all over the place, to include Roy, Eastside, Gig Harbor, University Place, and Tacoma. Just for information, now we don't need more updates unless you find something on fire. 1352.
Request 12 County, any aircraft flying?
Sure, there's plenty flying, but did you want me to call the FAA to find out?
Well, I was just thinking they might be sonic booms.
It's possible, but at this point, it's all over the county, Gig Harbor. Everybody's reporting it right now. Could even be earthquake. 1352.
60 County, don't we have a presidential detail in the area?
I'm sorry, your question?
If you can contact McCord, they do have fighter coverage for the detail, I'm sure.
1352. County UP cars, another alarm at 600988 West. Dispatch pending 14-1. Sounds 14-1.
Request is calling.
Press 2.
The request call is en route to 1453 Rainier Court, unit number 1, South and Welfare check.
Related to the fraud he had walk-in or not?
We think it's related to those sonic booms, but they're adamant that they heard gunshots after the booms.
Okay, but you're aware the sonic booms were due to the scrambling of the fighter jets, right?
Okay, I advise them as well.
Q1421. In County Harbor to a 911 hang up from a resident. Neck Avenue came in during the explosions, but tried calling it back to either get fax or internet tones on callback.